what's different. Overall, discuss the usage duration. Don't sit there going, electric guitar does this in the first section. You've already done that. Otherwise, you're just repeating yourself, which is a total waste of time. Every time you hear a playing, go back to the boxes. Especially look at the ones, balance phrases. That's to do with duration. Rolls and you're starting to see cuts. Keeps rolling in a new section. That's a really good point about duration. So at this stage, I'm pretty confident I've got enough now to get a band 6, and now underneath I just put the icing on the cake. This is what really pushes you into band 6. Up above you've said everything that's happened, down below you want to say why has the examiner done this? Later on you'll see in the marking that they say the strongest responses were the ones where they didn't just say what happened, but they've linked it to the purpose. Finally, with the purpose of why people did things, it's for the HSC it's pretty easy. You say it's used to create interest, variety, tension, climax. They're the favourite words the examiners use. So strong definite beat overall. A strong definite beat is something you talk about overall. Please don't put the double bass was in a 4/4 time signature, the drum kit was in a 4/4 time signature, and use definite beat and all that sort of stuff. That's just overall. So definite beat, 4/4, quadruple meter, moderately fast tempo, which gives rhythmic drive. You could also create energy and excitement, and then start looking at other things that are common. There's many, many things that you can say that you're not going to get time to put down. And this is, again, what I'm talking about with that empty feeling. When you leave the room, you end up getting quite upset after the exam, hopefully because there's so much you noticed and you wanted to say but didn't have time to put down. The people that I worry about are the people that say, definite beat, 4/4, fast tempo, yep, nailed it. So you'll notice the comments underneath, I know I'm repeating myself now, but the comments underneath are general observations overall. There's no point saying that the male vocals in the first section sing a syncopated melody. You've already said that.
Here is...
And that is it. So let's have a look at how we're marked. Okay, let's have a quick look at our response. Have we stuck to rhythms and beats? Chords accent the on-beat with some syncopation with the electric guitar, which then I'm going across the page, across the rows. Then we have the arpeggio, which is syncopated. That's a major contrast between those two. And if you tried to actually put those 2 points in an essay, it would take quite some time to write that down. Power chords accent the on-beat with driving rhythm, and I've given one of the few examples I was actually able to get time to do. Next, male vocals, syncopated melody, uses long notes at the end of phrases. It's balanced phrases, then it goes into a syncopated melody, and then at the end accents the on-beat. So you can see straight away we're showing the examiners that we can hear that they're contrasting right there, syncopated melody, to then going into an accent of the on-beat. It's a very, very clever piece of music. Accenting beats 1 and 2 with the drum kit, and then going into accenting the on beat with the cymbals, then accenting the backbeat with some rolls at the end, then double bass, walking bass line which accents the on beat, Then it actually goes into a bass line that follows the guitar, which also accents the on-beat. The naming of the sections above, as I said before, is not absolutely essential in a duration question. You shouldn't really spend that much time on it, but if you do it and you find it rather easy to just quickly knock a few letters above,